Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, share and comment. I want to see your opinion on this video. Just let me know what you think. And for my returning subscribers, I thank you all. So in today's recipe, we are making rice and beans. I mean white rice and beans combined together. Mostly what we are familiar is separate cooking beans and the white rice, but now I'm joining the two together. So in a pot, you pick your beans and wash it already and pour it inside pots that contain boiled water already. Then in another pot, wash your rice and also still pour it inside hot water. Then allow it to cook for like 10 minutes. Then bring it out and wash it and keep it aside. So now let's go and check the beans. So at this point, this beans it has not cooked completely. It's semi done. It's remaining small. It's almost done. So when your beans is almost done, then you now go and get that rice that you've semi cooked, that you've peppered before. Now pour in inside your beans that have not completely cooked. After boiling it, make sure you stir it. You stir it completely. Stir it so that the two mixture will mix together. Then you shake the water content so that at least it will be at an average to the level of the rice and beans, as in the food, to just be at the level. And this mixture is important. Try as much as possible. You stir it, you mix it together so that everything will incorporate. So when you know that everything has fully mixed very well, not rice will be one side, beans will be one side. No, you don't want that. So when you really turn it very well, mix the two together. Then you shake the water consistency, because at this point our rice have not cooked at all. They haven't cooked. So you cover your pot and still be shaking the rice. Now where our concentration is now at the rice, because it haven't cooked at all. So then we'll be shaking it. If you still need water, we'll add, but don't over add the water. The food is ready. The food has completely dried up the water, and the pot is done. It's completely cooked. At this time now, you are good to go. So you go and get that delicious stew that you have before. If you don't have, try and make one for this food. It's made in heaven. This two combination is made in heaven. You won't like to miss it. If you are the fan of this, Ejo, comment on the comment section. Comment, my sister. You are our wing. So look at our stew that we're going to use to take down this food. Is this still not stewing? Is it not yummy? Ouch. If you want to see the recipe, as in the video of this stew, just check my channel. You'll see the full video. This stew is not a regular stew type. It contains veggies, green beans, carrot and whatever. So if you like it, check my channel for the video. Now our food is ready. Who is into this game should come and join me. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please support your girl. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. I need to know what is in your mind, whether you like it or you do not like this method of a combination of rice with beans. Just tell me what you think at the comment section. Don't forget to share it as well. Share it out to your friends and families so that they will still know that it's possible to combine the two together. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.